Hello friends, I just want to share our experience here in Bangkok. This is our second day and we slept so late, like around 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. na kami nakatulog. Panggabi kasi yung work namin, it was really difficult to adjust. So itong second day namin, nagising na kami like around 3 p.m., 3:30 p.m. So we've decided not to push through sa original plan na magpunta sa mga temples. And nagpunta na lang kami dito sa Platinum Mall. And I read na ito talaga yung perfect na place if you wanna go shopping kasi sobrang mura, yung iba wholesale price pa yung binibigay nila. Ang daming clothes, bags, shoes. I also got curious dito sa December's Mall, so I went here and sobrang daming mga nagla-live. Ang gaganda ng mga damit and ang daming mga live seller. Medyo na-amaze lang ako and hats off talaga sa mga live sellers, online sellers. Seeing you all in action made me realize na sobrang hirap ng ginagawa ninyo and sobrang nakaka-amaze kung paano nyo napupull off yan. So, syempre, after mag-shopping, anong mangyayari sa'yo? Masakit yung mga paa mo at pagod ka kasi lakad ka ng lakad. So, ito ang ginawa namin. Nagpunta kami sa isa sa mga massage parlors dito. The usual cost of a full body massage is around 500 baht. So, mga 850 pesos. Kung gusto mo naman na foot massage lang, it would only cost you 250 baht. Pero 1 hour na yon. And that also includes your shoulder, your neck, your back. So, okay na rin. Sulit na sulit. If you wanna relax after a tiring day. Siyempre, nakakapagod din talaga maging turista na lakad na lang lakad buong araw, sightseeing buong araw. And when we got back to our hotel, we had to do a little bit of work. We checked some emails and we also checked in with our team. And after that, we decided to sleep na so that we could push through with our plans, visit some temples, and go to different tourist spots here in Bangkok.